Good morning, Amma. Today you are going to see one new problem. Welcome to IMCG Max. So we are going to see this geometrical problem. A triangle, one shape is given. One circle is there. You have to find the shaded part. Yellow shaded part you have to find. Okay, this is one important problem, Olympiad problem. So here you have to find yellow shaded area. The shaded area, in this we are having brown and yellow. You have to find the shaded part of yellow shaded area of the figure. So here it is a multiple concept. So those who are watching first time, subscribe the video. Like this only, there are every day new problems will be uploaded, which are logical. So here first of all, in this problem, how to solve this, that is very important. How to solve the problem. So here we are having a circle, triangle and we are having a, what is given, AB. AB is 8 units. AB is 8 units. Now from this you can say this this is also 8 units. A is also 8 units. So A is also 8 units. Here this part is radius. From here to here if you take this is also radius. And from here to here if you take perpendicular, this is also radius. Now this is a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. So in a right angle triangle, this is the hypotenuse, AR. AR is the hypotenuse. Now it is a right isosceles triangle. This is also R. This is R. This is also R. So this value will be R root 2. Okay, right angle triangle which is right isosceles. The hypotenuse will be R root 2 times the side. So here A is equal to 8. Now this can be written as R plus R root 2. R plus R root 2, that is equal to, if you take R common, root 2 plus 1. That is the AE measure. AE is equal to R into root 2 plus 1. Now from this you can write R value is equal to 8 by root 2 plus 1. 8 by root 2 plus 1. If you rationalize it, root 2 minus 1 by root 2 minus 1. Root 2 minus 1 by root 2 minus 1, what will get? 8 root 2 minus 8 by 2 minus 1. So now the value of the radius R is equal to 8 root 2 minus 8. 8 root 2 minus 8. Now we will find the area of brown part, shaded part. Area of brown part is equal to 2 times the shaded area of triangle ARB. So here ARB, this is ARB, this is also ARC. These two areas are equal. ARB, ARC, 2 times that is area, that is equal to 2 into half into base. You are taking AB into radius R, height. The height is R. Here AB and AC are equal. So what will get here? 2 into half into AB value is 8. R value, what you are having? 8 root 2 minus 8. From here we are getting R value. Now here 2 to get cancelled. Now the brown area of the brown part, here in this part, what you are having, 64 root 2 minus 64. 64 root 2 minus 64. Now area of the quadrant, area of this 1/4 of the circle, so here this part, area of the quadrant, is equal to, here you are having formula x by 360 into pi r square, x by 360 into pi r square. So what is x value? X value here, angle is 90. Here you will get 90 plus 90 by 360 into pi r square. R means what you are having here, 8. Radius is 8. This is a radius. So here 1 by 4. 1 time 4 times 1 by 4 pi into 64. So here you will get 16 times. Now this total area, both the parts, yellow and brown part, is 16 pi units. Now what is the yellow part? So what is the shaded yellow part? Is equal to shaded this total part, shaded total part, this part minus shaded brown part, shaded brown part. So what will get now, 16 pi minus what you are having here, brown part, 64 root 2 minus 64. 64 root 2 minus 64. Now here you will get 16 pi minus 64 common, root 2 minus 1. So here you can take 16 common, pi minus 4 into root 2 minus 1 units. So these are the area of the yellow part, shaded part. This is the area of the yellow shaded part. So thank you for watching Ayan's Easy Maths. So here